You love them. But lately, something feels off. The spark? Fading. The connection? Slipping. Here's how you fix it before it's too late. 10 relationship tips to reconnect. 1. Put the phones down. The world doesn't need your attention 24/7, but your partner does. Just 30 phone-free minutes a day can change everything. 2. Ask this question. Every night, what was the best part of your day? It's simple, but it opens the door to real conversation. 3. Stop keeping score. Relationships aren't a scoreboard. You don't win by pointing out who did more. You win by showing up for each other every day. 4. Recreate your first date. Remember who you were back then? That version of you still lives in both of you. Go find them. 5. Speak their love language. Not yours, theirs. Acts of service, words, touch, gifts, time. Find out what makes them feel loved and give it freely. 6. Apologize better. I'm sorry you feel that way is not an apology. Own your role. Be vulnerable. Say, I hurt you. I see that. I'm sorry. 7. Surprise them just because. It doesn't need to be a grand gesture, a note, a coffee, a hug out of nowhere. These tiny surprises, they're glue. 8. Make eye contact when they talk. Look up, put it down, and be present. Sometimes that's all they really need. 9. Do something new. Together, growth brings you closer. Try something neither of you have ever done. A class, a hobby, an adventure. 10. Say this one sentence every day. I choose you again today. Because love isn't a feeling. It's a choice you make every single day. If you're feeling distant, it doesn't mean it's over. It just means it's time to lean in, not walk away.